Our first everyday phrase is, how's it going?
It means, how are you? But in a casual, friendly way.
Example sentence. Hey Phoebe, how's it going today? Next phrase is, what's up?
It means, what are you doing? Or, how are things? Very casual.
Example sentence. What's up, Phoebe? You look busy. Next phrase is, long time no see.
You say this when you meet someone after a long time.
Example sentence. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Our next phrase is, take your time.
It means, don't rush or go slowly.
Example sentence. You can take your time with the report. Next phrase is, no worries.
It means, it's okay or don't stress about it.
Example sentence. You're late? No worries, we just started. Next phrase. I'm on my way.
It means you are coming and will arrive soon.
Example sentence. I'm on my way, Phoebe. Just 5 minutes more. Next everyday phrase is, sounds good.
It means you agree with someone's plan or idea.
Example sentence. Dinner at 8? Sounds good. Next phrase is, let me check.
It means you will verify something or look at information.
Example sentence. Let me check the schedule and get back to you. Next phrase. I'm not sure.
It means you don't know or you're uncertain.
Example sentence. I'm not sure if I can come tonight. Next phrase is, that makes sense.
It means you understand something clearly.
Example sentence. Oh, so the shop closes early on Sundays. That makes sense. Next everyday phrase is, I'm just kidding.
It means you were joking or not serious.
Example sentence. Relax, I'm just kidding. Next phrase. Hang on a second.
It means wait for a moment.
Example sentence. Hang on a second. I need to answer this call. Next phrase is, I'll get back to you.
It means you'll respond later after finding information.
Example sentence. I'll get back to you after checking the details. Next phrase. I'm good, thanks.
It means you're fine and don't need anything.
Example sentence. Do you want more coffee? I'm good, thanks. Next everyday phrase is, don't worry about it.
It means it's okay or you don't need to feel bad.
Example sentence. You forgot my book? Don't worry about it. Next phrase. Let's catch up.
It means meet and talk after a long time.
Example sentence. We should catch up this weekend. Next phrase is, that's interesting.
You say this when something is surprising or new.
Example sentence. You lived in 4 cities? That's interesting. Next phrase. I don't feel like it.
It means you don't want to do something.
Example sentence. I don't feel like going out tonight. Next everyday phrase is, I'm starving.
It means you're very hungry.
Example sentence. I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. Next phrase is, I'm exhausted.
It means you're extremely tired.
Example sentence. After that long meeting, I'm exhausted. Next phrase. Let me think.
It means you need a moment to decide.
Example sentence. Let me think about it. Next everyday phrase is, I'll handle it.
It means you'll take responsibility.
Example sentence. Don't worry about the emails. I'll handle it. Next phrase. It's up to you.
It means you decide.
Example sentence. Movie or dinner? It's up to you. Next phrase is, I appreciate it.
It means you are thankful for something.
Example sentence. Thanks for helping me move. I really appreciate it. Next phrase. I can't wait.
It means you're very excited about something.
Example sentence. I can't wait to see that new movie. Next everyday phrase is, I'm on it.
It means you will start doing it immediately.
Example sentence. Need the report? I'm on it. Next phrase is, you never know.
It means something unexpected might happen.
Example sentence. Maybe you'll win the contest. You never know. Next phrase. By the way.
It is used to introduce new information.
Example sentence. By the way, did you finish your assignment? Next phrase is, I guess so.
It means you agree, but not strongly.
Example sentence. Will the weather improve? I guess so. Next phrase. That's not my thing.
It means you don't like something or it's not your preference.
Example sentence. Camping? That's not my thing. Next phrase is, I'm in a hurry.
It means you don't have much time.
Example sentence. I'm in a hurry, so I'll call you later. Next everyday phrase is, I'm proud of you.
It means someone did a good job and you feel happy for them.
Example sentence. You worked so hard. I'm proud of you. Next phrase. It happens.
It means mistakes are normal and common.
Example sentence. You dropped the glass? It happens. Next phrase is, I didn't catch that.
It means you didn't hear or understand something.
Example sentence. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? Next phrase. Let's get started.
It means begin or start the work.
Example sentence. Everyone's here, so let's get started. Next phrase is, I'm not feeling well.
It means you're sick or not in good health.
Example sentence. I'm not feeling well, so I'll stay home. Next phrase. I'll think about it.
It means you need time before deciding.
Example sentence. Should I buy this phone? I'll think about it. Next phrase is, no problem.
It means it's okay or I can help.
Example sentence. Can you send the file? Sure, no problem. Next phrase. I'm almost there.
It means you will reach your destination soon.
Example sentence. I'm almost there, just 2 minutes away.